can see, the first car made it here in Brazil. And guess what? Here we go. 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 Hey gente, bom dia! Como tá todo mundo? Como tá mi gente? It's 8 in the morning right now. We just left home at 7. We are here in Santa Barbara still. As you can see, the first car made it here in Brazil. And guess what? Santa Barbara do Oeste in Brazil is the city who made this car, guys. Yeah, that's right. They built their own car. It looked pretty small, but it looks really nice and cute for me. Nice. So anyhow, guys, I want to share with you this new adventure from Santa Barbara to the next neighbor city with the name Sumaré, right? Is that right, Leo?
All right. Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to ride. We actually been riding a little bit so far. Nothing easy to carry 15 kilos or more than 15 kilos plus, 20 or 18 kilos of backpack with full of water, food, all the provision, everything. And we got Paula have another bike, yes, to go through this beautiful lake. As I said, next neighbor city name with Sumaré. And this is a beautiful lake here with a small forest. So I never been there, you know, guys. So we'll see how that thing looks, you know, guys. So one more time, it's great to see you one more time. I hope you enjoyed the whole video, you know, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and you know, hit that bell button, you know, to stay tuned for the next video coming ahead, guys. So, all right, let's go, guys. Beautiful. We're almost here. Actually, we're here, guys. The lake is pretty much there, that direction, so gotta keep going. Okay, guys, in the place. Estamos aquí. Llegamos. We passed Santa Barbara to the next city, Nova Odessa, and then until Sumaré.
Love will remain throughout the pain and strain over the years. Faith has its place. No matter your point of view or stance in the world, and you see it all. I have no place to hide or worries to give, and I am sitting over here looking for the answers, working it out one day at a time. And I am sitting over here looking for the answers, working it out one day at a time, one day at a time.
So thank you guys, don't forget to subscribe it, you know, like this guy. Hit that red button, hit that bell, you know, to stay tuned, para que estén atentos a los próximos videos que vienen adelante, guys, right guys? So thank you very much for staying with us in the whole adventure, you know, guys. So thanks a lot, and until the next time, right, Leo?
Yeah.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Oh, you did ciao.
Ciao, ciao. Ciao, ciao.